Come on. I'm going to show you something that I do have a bit of experience at. We're working right here. So let's see if we can get the camera just right. Right there, right there. Okay. When I pointed out the emblems that the company I worked for used, those emblems were put on vehicles and on equipment and all sorts of things when I worked in the garage. And they all those small logos and everything, and the unit numbers we put on the vehicles for identification were all this style, where they had the backing, they had the sticker, and then this light adhesive piece on there. So I've done hundreds and hundreds of these. I cleaned the area, gave it a good cleaning, and the way I do it is, what I'll usually do is I'll take the corner, because the sticker is obviously not up here, and I'll bend it over itself like that. Then I rake my thumbnail on there, and it starts the paper just like nothing. I'll show you again, just to show you how easy it is. Take the stuff and you're bending it back away from the sticker. And what that's doing is the paper here is actually having to stretch a little bit. And then you just take a finger or your thumb and give it a flick. It starts like nothing. Okay. Next, when I peel these off, I like to do them on a flat surface. So I'll just hold it up against on a bench or something, and I peel them back with the backing pulling completely opposite, and nice and slow to make sure all the decal stays where it's supposed to be. By pulling tight, the sticker tends to stay really well. Then, when I put it in place, I bend it and try and line it up where I want it. I'll put it down and I'll run one finger across the center of it. Back and forth 1 or 2 times. Even a thumbnail or whatever if you want. The next thing I do, I usually have a rubber squeegee that I had from 3M years ago. But I also have used body squeegees. And I start in the center and I work down and up from the center. Down and up. Move over and go down and up. Over to the other side. Down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Now I've squeegeed it. Likely don't have any air bubbles by doing it that way. And then I put a lot more pressure on and I squeegee the whole thing. If you hear any little popping sounds, it's an air pocket. You might need a razor blade or a pin to pop it. Okay, now that that's squeegeed well, again, you just get it started. Peel, pulling it back on itself. And as you can see, I'm not pulling too slow, but because I'm pulling 180 degrees, comes right off. There you go. Putting decals on, quick and easy. There you go. Thank you, Cecil. You're the first one. You're number one. You're number one. Anyway, there we go. It's on there, right beside the Garage Gang logo, and I have a little bit of space. I think I'll fill this up first, and maybe even take some of these old ones off that don't really mean anything to me. Like I have 2 of those on there, and I got 2 or 3 peak antifreeze ones. I don't need those. I don't need a tailboard conference from the hydro company on there. I'll take some of those off. Maybe my explosive sticker. It was a cheap sticker. So yeah, this decal was the same style. All these letters are cut out. And I thought I had another one here, but I don't. Anyway, I'm done with that. Thanks for the sticker. And thanks for watching. I'd appreciate if people leave comments. I like to receive comments. You know, let me know what you'd like me to do better or different. You know, I'm a big guy. You can't hurt my feelings. And leave a comment. There's some of you out there that don't get many views and get disheartened. Don't worry about it. Some of mine get 2 and 3 views, and you know what? I don't care. I get 2, 3 views. At least somebody's watching it. Likely one of them is my son. One of my sons, anyway. I'd like to get a lot of views, and some of mine have, some of them haven't, and I don't have the magic formula to get a lot of views. And quite frankly, I'm making the videos to share with you, but I'm making them for me. I'm actually finding this kind of therapeutic, like a lot of you are. I find motivation in this, because I'm actually doing something for someone else as well as myself. So, everyone out there, keep making videos. I like to watch them. I fall behind sometimes, and I have to spend 2 or 3 days to catch up. But you know, you guys are my friends. Looking forward to traveling to Florida. I've never been there. Amber used to go there when her grandparents lived down there when she was a kid, but I think it's changed a little bit since then. There I go rambling. I'm up to 10 minutes again on a 3-minute video. So let you go. Take it easy. Have a good one.